current the coil create a temporary magnetic field that the magnetized iron near, which can then attract other magnetic objects. When the current is removed by disconnecting the battery, the magnetism disappears instantly and the object, that is, the iron near, is no longer magnetic.
Okay, do the demonstration, let's see. Pick up more than one. Can you pick up more than one?
It's not.
You only pick up at the ends.
This is not.